Richard, 4 di recupero.
Bom lançamento para Nilmar, dominou, ajeitou no peito, colocou no gramado, chamou a zaga para dançar, fez a finta, jogada individual do Nilmar, pode pintar o gol, passou por 1, por 2, por 3, entrou na área, pode pintar um golaço, fez o break, bateu direto pro gol, olha o 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 gol, tá lá, tá lá, tá lá, tá lá, tá lá, tá lá, golaço, golaço, tá lá.
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Zalla voleva ancora servire all'interno per Rispoli, va via in contrattacco Tevez, resiste un fallo Tevez da solo, Tevez al limite dell'area, li fa fuori tutti, Tevez, si apre la porta, Tevez, gol, 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 Carlitos Tevez!
McFadden drags it down now, long way out, what a goal, what a goal! What a goal by McFadden! Magic from James McFadden! He's a genius again for Scotland! They've been suckered in the Parc des Princes! James McFadden from 40 yards into the roof of the net! Picking out Landreau! France 0, Scotland!
Eccolo il tentativo di tiro, la palla respinta, il capitano della gara!
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Alright, Abusia Yamawachi Yamawakwaba. Edi Eba Okoman Radio 97.1. That's all. What did you say? I'm not so say a good deal on some. Yadi Abetan Warner who sent you some that year. Evan say a dozen. That's on your self fantasy among us wet, you know. And I don't pay Yatrase at the Nina at the Eba, the Titiru. And the Ecoso and so association football. I don't pay Cameroonian Fasida. And you can confirm or trade the upon Yankopon. Say what do I can I made the Abetoye. If you are Sidani be unconfirmed, star 787 ash. Star 787 ash. What sorry I no pay I was so this go bottom. Into Unya Sikaya dia. And you star 787 ash. And I also want to the go bottom. They call ye the man war. Our phone. Nadal star 787 ash. Oh Dalia. I feel options not know what to ask us. Ubenya sika. And so to me they go bottom. I'm also etayachi. Sanso na bi confirm Mr. KB ono executive producer. Kobia Sante AK the boss player. Omina so etechi anopay and Sanso no kore ajeman. Adwapoku e honam senior on duty. Eni abusuani na techre obefia so dia the finest ono na wahwehwe program no programs director. Enti otechre tin batakari. And yadi and something now by Medina the Parcel Paradise, and I am the guy with the romantic voice on your radio. And I'll pay yadi some no about DJ Ziggy B the Enko Facebook ne YouTube. Enter your Okoman Radio 97.1 our Facebook live, YouTube and also your live. Yeah, baby, the Black Stars game no one come on kakra the amawo and the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana. And so they needed 3 points no ewa Babanyara Sports Stadium. Say your share 1, say your share 0, say your share 3 points no. And then so a buyer. If you say team the performance no shut down in this roster, you better don't come on and say to me at the amawo. Now, and also the Black Meteors of Ghana Sujino Kwano. Also anyone Fefwa, almost Union Brunfish, Dono Miansan 23 years. Ewa Algeria, and we U23 championship qualifies. Yami Aduma Babasu Morocco. Ghana has a bit to me qualify. Then Pokra ya console ya kwaya they qualify bookie and ticket akurem. Ewa 2024 Olympic Games Babasu Paris. And the first leg never saw Morocco and the year and as a game never saw. If it won't come on, so and a weekend with Ghana Premier League matches our home and the Kotoku Royals Sigiko Stadium or Park and the Kotoku Airboat game ever do about 3 p.m. and also yeah they are one seminar baba. Now I will send ya at here and so our home. Samne kakra na fe yemre fie fatit betene kakra so wono na yemhwe endin koma horo no enso ntumi yemfe ma na yemkwa hwe Manchester ekwa so ewa Europe ne mo anten so Euro qualifies no ene etumi atwagu ye na results ne bi ene Kazakhstan trefie ema Slovenia she 2-1 Bosnia and Herzegovina enso eshe Iceland ekamiensa almost ntumi ante Denmark enso she miensa ma Finland etimu aye baako Italy enso trefie ma England enso she mo ekanu mienu a womonso etimu baako North Macedonia she mienu ema Malta etimu baako Portugal enso eshe kanu makumakun enan editi a Liechtenstein ebe minor womonso entumi ante na San Marino enso trefie ma Northern Ireland esho mo ekanu mienu a womonso entumi ante Slovakia anshebi Luxembourg enso anshebi nte no eye game central etumi ekoso enso ewo eye Europe ne mo ante so no eye European eye qualifies no and ayade enwo results etumi ade ama wene matches no ebeto aso say na tie Bulgaria ene Montenegro ebebo 5 p.m. Ghana time and as a game na eba so Austria ebeshia Azerbaijan and so ya 7:45 Czech Republic and so and Poland ebebo 7:45 and as a game na eba so enumere France and so ebeshia Netherlands minor and also ya 7:45 and ebeba so afe Gibraltar ebeshia Greece and also ya 7:45 Moldova and so and Iceland ebebo and also Ireland and so ebebo no ya 7:45 na fe Serbia and Lithuania minor and so ebetumi about 7:45 not Sweden, Asia, Belgium, and also 7:45. Entikai national so and so to me family matches are who chegu and so Europe in the month so and an pay yet and so to me adiama wo Yamra Africa and draw African Cup of Nations 2023 qualifiers matches no e bi so echo so na and also say na so no and so to me akwa Madagascar etina fiema Central African Republic ebe show my economy and some no so and to me ante Congo and so etina fie ema South Sudan bɛhyɛ ne ka mmienu wɔno nso ɛte mu baako Ghana ɛkye Angola hyɛ ne ka baako a Angola ɛnso ntumi ante Zambia ɛnso ɛhyɛ boboku ɔman ne deɛ de Lesotho ɛhyɛ ne ka no mmiɛnsa wɔno nso ɛte mu baako Gabon ɛnso hyɛ baako ma Sudan ɛnso ntumi ante afei Algeria ɛtena fie hyɛ ka mmienu ɛdi tia Niger wɔn nso ɛte mu baako ɛno ɛyɛ ne ɛkɔ so ɛnso ndra ɛwɔ African Cup of Nations qualifying matches no ɛnso yɛ mu ɛnɛ 14 matches ɛna ɛba so na sei na nhyehyɛ no ɛnso etumi yɛteɛ 1 p.m. DR Congo ebehyia Mauritania na ɔmo de abɔ ani 2 p.m. no Uganda nso ne Tanzania man no ɛnso ɛbɛbɔ afei matches wei na ɛyɛ 4 p.m. Kevet ebehyia Eswatini man no na afei Ivory Coast ɛnso no Comoros abɔ Nigeria ebehyia Guinea Bissau man no na ɔmo nso ne ɔmo de abɔ ani na South Africa ɛhyia Liberia na ɔmo nso ɛde abɔ ani nti ɛno ɛbɛba so 4 p.m. Ghana time 7 p.m. matches wei ɛnso ɛbɛba so Burkina Faso ebehyia Togo man no Egypt ɛne Malawi bɛbɔ Equatorial Guinea ɛnso ebehyia Botswana na afei Mali ɛnso ne Gambia ɛde abɔ ani Senegal ebehyia Mozambique man no na Cameroon ɛnso ne Namibia ɛnso yɛ 8 p.m. ɛna saa game no ɛnso ɛbɛba so na afei Guinea ɛhyia ɛyɛ Ethiopia man no ɛno nso ɛyɛ 8:30 p.m. ɛna saa game na ɛbɛba so na Tunisia ɛnso ne Libya ɛde abɔ ani ɛno yɛ matches a ɛno nso ɛbɛba so ɛwɔ African Cup of Nations no ɛnso yɛ mu a anɔpa yi mi te ho ɛnso etumi ɛde ama wɔ ɛnso ojubɛ deɛ nso nti ni na yɛ 8:30 ɛna saa games no ɛnso ɛbɛba so ɛwɔ African Cup of Nations no ɛnso emu ntɛyɛ a na wakae no ahyɛ ne nso na odi wɔ de akyerɛ mu ɛnso ɛwɔ under 23 no a matches no ɛnso mmienu ɛbɛba so ɛno yɛ U23 qualification matches ɛwɔ Africa na Algeria ɛnso 9 p.m. ɛyɛ enwumere no wɔn ne Ghana ɛna ɛbɛbɔ na afei ɛyɛ DR Congo na anka wɔn nso no ɛwɔ game a ɔsɔ wɔn ɛbɔ na ɛnso saa game no mpanyinfoɔ ɛnso etumi akansew no saa game no ɛmba so nti Algeria ne Ghana deɛ no nko a ɛna ɛbɛba so 9 p.m. ɛwɔ ɛyɛ U23 no ɛnso emu nti kae na hyɛ ne nso ɛnso etumi ɛfɛm ame yɛnkɔ ne yɛnkɔhwɛ nkɔmɔ ahorow a ɛno nso etumi atwa egu ɛnso ɛwɔ amanɔne na ɛndra Portugal man no ɛnso etumi awini by 4 goals na abrante ne de Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro wɔno enya 2 goals ɛnso etumi ɛde ama Portugal man no na sese ukɔ Ronaldo afamu a ɔno na waba bɛyɛ most international caps in men's football player wɔno nso esi akan ɛde ama ne national team bebree fi sɛ Nyankopɔn ɛbɔ wiase no Ronaldo ɛna ɔno nso etumi elidi a wasi akan ɛde ama ne man mpɛn dodoɔ ɛsin player bia ɛwɔ wiase afa na nyinaa enti Cristiano Ronaldo say na tie 197 games ɛna wagyina mu abɔ ɛde ama Portugal national team no afei abrante ani din ɛnso etumi ɛde ɛyɛ Bada a Mutawa wɔno ɛyɛ 196 ɛna Sonchin An wɔno nso no ɛyɛ 195 Ahmed Hassan ɛyɛ 184 ɛna afei Ahmed Mubarak ɛnso 183 ɛna ɔno nso etumi ayɛ ɛna Sergio Ramos ɛnso 180 appearance ɛna ɔno nso ɛyɛ yɛde ɛma Spain ti Cristiano Ronaldo ɛna record ne kita no a player wɔsi akan dodoɔ ɛde ama ne national team anasa ne man no ɛyɛ CR7 ɛna ɔno nso etumi ayɛ that record no na udwani akyerɛ mu a ɛndra abrante no sama ka kyerɛ sɛ onya goals no ɛnso mmienu etumi ɛde ma Portugal man no asese Ronaldo goals no hyɛ no gu so ɛhyɛ ɛnso ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ne career mo na asese udwani akyerɛ mu a international ranking no say ɛnɛteɛ ɛwɔ Cristiano Ronaldo afɛm ɛyɛ most European Championship played abrante a wabɔ European Championship no dodoɔ paa ɛdɛma ne national team no ɛyɛ Cristiano Ronaldo 5 appearance ɛna watumi ayɛ most goals at European Championship finals nea wɔhyɛ goals dodoɔ ɛwɔ European Championship mu no ɛyɛ Cristiano Ronaldo 14 goals ɛna ɔno nso ahyɛ afɛ most goals in Euro and World Cup finals combined sɛ player bi free Europe na ɔhyɛ goals ɛwɔ Euros mu na ɔsan enso ehye goals ewo World Cup mo na ye ka ni goals no edi bom enso ewo Europe no player wo Europe a say ye ka ni goals a wahye ewo Euros mo ene World Cup mo ebom a ne modemo no wasoro no eye Cristiano Ronaldo ono na elidi a 22 goals eno no so no combine no watumi asa anope yete ho enso tumi adamanti Cristiano Ronaldo ne records kakra enso eno no a ena anope yete ho enso etumi adiama wo na yemfa ye ne nkyerɛ mo ewo nsamfo from Bayern Munich bobo kwana kache ene yekɔ na akɔ Bayern na so ya ene head coach and dey Julian Nagelsmann Bayern for eja no kwan almost ne modemo no enkɔ kan wo Bayern no ne first season oje German Bundesliga no Edma Bayern Munich eye bobo kono na odi omu wura mu UEFA Champions League amfa this season oguso ebo Champions League no wa qualify edi omu kura wura mu quarter final omu ko Manchester City omu yi Paris Saint-Germain edi frimo yakɔ Bundesliga ni mu a ɔtɔso emienu Dortmund di kan na mo points no emu nhyɛdan yɛ tintin bi asa ɛwɔ Bundesliga table no ɛso na empanyifo ase na wodi wani akyerɛ mu wɔ Bayern na coach ni Bayern no modemo no ɛnhyɛdan kɔ yie ɛwɔ fam enti no ɔmo yi na si nkyɛn akɔfa Thomas Tuchel ɛnso atumi ade na Bayern na emi no kasa yi deɛ Bayern Munich foɔ enso ayi coach Julian Nagelsmann enso afri eye adwuma wayɛ ediema Bayern Munich no eso ena makofa head coach a enkane no ye adwuma edema Borussia Dortmund Paris Saint-Germain Chelsea coach Thomas Tuchel wano so ye Germany ni o makofa no se wano emra no mbelidi bobo kwandi ede eye Bayern Munich enso ho na oba no na se Champions League ne first game obeshia Joseph Pep Guardiola na one no edi abo ni Guardiola nso de Pep abeye coach and Thomas Tuchel wo tumi ne pa na ni meetings no say na tie 5 games and Pep Guardiola and Thomas Tuchel abo Thomas Tuchel winning 3 and afa walusu 2 and Guardiola wa winning 2 and Tuchel asha 4 goals and tie Guardiola and wa concede 3 goals and Thomas Tuchel otumi Pep Guardiola and to all bane there likely say Bayern Munich almost betumi asha bobo kwani de enso etumi ede Manchester City eno eye ne efru de eba anopai yete ho kakra enso etumi ede ama wo ewo djubede no so na onso wanhu sene a eno so etumi etie enso ewo hodomo eno eye nkoma horo a eno so efru ede eba na Joao Cancelo esi akai tima bobo kwande de Bayern Munich owo Portugal national team na so ye endra o she goal crowd ma Portugal team no na Cancelo ne ebisa no ese ene coach a obefa wo free Manchester City edo ebe PM enso ewo eye Bayern Munich no Julian Nagelsmann impanyfa pam no enti sa return e ko Bayern team ni biemu a unkonkoto sa coach no obokokoto Thomas Tuchel o say coach no hia ne service ewo Bayern Munich enam no so no obepiem wo Bayern enti obefe no nemom obo ye na baso adwumaden ena waye edema Bayern Munich eye ma boboko no ye yu ba bi a obekọ ba bi enti ni nyina mu no ono so hwe nim se coach Thomas Tuchel aba no oni no betumi aye adwuma enso etumi edema Bayern Munich boboko no eno ye nkoma a efru de ye ba anope so yete ho kakra enso etumi edema na wahu sene a nkoma no enso etumi ete na Barcelona boboko no yesi Barca kotu esika no ade ye ma eye referee no iyofa fo ahase ehihwem Barcelona zika mukotu edema referee no iyofa ehihwem a se dachi bia na ko budwura Barca iyofa Champions League no omuso benya ban wom enti eno ya nkoma efiri Barca kache ede ye ba iyofa fo ahase enso ehihwehwehwe Barca ene sa referee no ensam no ensuemo se ko Barca ampa Barcelona etu esika enso etumi ede ye ma referee ne dia and the UEFA Champions League according to report no Barca betumi anya ban enso our Champions League mo eno ya reporter e ba no pay yetu we de ma Obama so Chelsea hwe ne mu se abrante o beja no kwan manakọ na wakwakosi akai enso de ma se be ye Barca isanse ofri Barca na ba ye enti se nkoyi a o mese eja no kwan amo no so afri bobo kuni so akache enso tumi akwa busia ensam ne doso e wa manone ye fancy ye mbra fie na yembra medi efie nso nkoma kakra enso etumi yemfama na hu sene am ene nso etumi etie endra ɛna Black Stars entumi edi nkonim over Maya ni de Angola, the Palancas Negras of Angola. Eka baako a Angola man entumi ante Ghana 90+6 minutes into 96 minutes ɛna Ghana enya sa goal no 90 minutes kra ɛna Brantani din enso etumi edi Antoine Semenyo enya goal no edi yama oman Ghana na odwani chemo babanyara na sa fele no ano ya dempa yenkotie sane a na Antoine Semenyo goal no ebaye edi Emma the Black Stars of Ghana na senior supporters ene afei fele no ekowieye enso babanyara
doświadczona. Na pewno najstarsza formacja tutaj bramka wydawało.
Sir, yensa betumi aka go no na fe wonso wahun se ni afele no enso kokopie mo enso ewa eye agopama no so a enye fedi agro Antoine Semenyo na free kick ena branti ani din enso etumi ede eye Mohamed Kudus wono ekogina ball na chi obi enim se Kudus abegina chire ni de oba bebo enso etumi ede ato atenem na Kudus ebo en goalkeeper no oda goal post name enso etumi ede ma omaya ni din enso ede Angola no wantumi anche eye ball nim ekua ena ebaye ema Osman Bukari enso de na boy ena san kopim goal post na pim goal post no ena baye biem ebeto Antoine Semenyo enso enim ena fe Semenyo so sabeto benim dia eni emi nanimu no tia shot no ne left leg no or the ball shot na afi atena no akasa de Ghana eba wie no na say 1-0 ena Ghana for enso tumi edi nkonima na nkonim no ade a na ho hia the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana na no akwa first game and coach Chris Houghton enso airball as head coach Ediema Black Stars enti no obi ehwe se go no betumi aba na fe yahwe se nkunim no kra no Black Stars enso betumi edi enti nkunim no ko ba no na se emu etumi ayede Ediema Black Stars yenkotie baba yara emra go no eba no fele no
can be very difficult and it's a left footed player. Oh, the keeper with the goal for the line. No, it has. Oh, they've stolen it late on. Semenyo with his first goal for his country. Unbelievable. I mean, that earlier, as you said, this might just be the last attack for Ghana. And to think that they could wait this long, lapse of concentration. If anything, that ball drops into the area and Angola is unable to clear it. And it was basically just all over the place.
Wey emra go no enso bayem enso babanyara na ave enkunim no akwade ama Ghana no na wote se na se feeling no emu ya de enso ewa babanyara eye agopama so a anopa yete ho enso etumi ade ama emra Antoine Semenyo go no enso etumi ade ba ko Facebook na fe enkomoni na no yendi enso etumi emfa emma wo enso wo Facebook head coach Edema Black Stars Chris Houghton na after say game na badu ye no na coach Chris Houghton na dey to Ghana for nyina anim say na ni age ohwe kwan a supporters no etumi eba babanyara ebe support team na ano ye dempa nti na ni etumi age say ene no supporters no enso etumi eba ye ebe support Black Stars obo kumasefo ene Ghana for nyina ebe wura mo ewa babanyara no obo bia enso abaso yentie coach Chris Houghton. Yehasa yensabeka coach no ene no na fe ye de amount enso anope.
Hello. Yeah. So first of all, I'd like to thank the people of Kumasi for creating such an incredible atmosphere, and I have no doubt that the fact that we scored the goal as late as what we did was a factor for the crowd that we had. So I think a big thank you from myself and obviously all the players. I thought we started the game.
Wey sama coach Chris Houghton wano ade to egwa emra supporters no enso ochire se omobehye agopama nso ma ema Ghana enya enkunimde no ena wo chirechire mo enso etumi ebo supporters no abaso yesanso eni no edi nkonim anase edi enkomam ena ebisa no se win no aba na coach ni se win na eba ye de important win papa most important thing edema Ghana wo game ni no eni se na ebenya nkunimde enti win ne ba ye de ehun hia.
And sometimes in this game you have to get your goal or your goals in when you are having your better period in the game. Probably the disappointment is that when we came out at the second half, we wasn't able to, I think, replicate what we did in the first half. And the difficulty becomes if you haven't scored and you don't have a lead, the game becomes open. And when the game becomes open, it can go either way. So I think we had enough opportunities in the opposition box. But of course, if we don't score them goals, it puts pressure on ourselves. And I thought we were up against a good and very well organised Angola team. The team and the players that showed great spirit and determination. And I think when I was here a few days ago, it's a win. And that's the most important thing.
Way and sama coach Chris Wooten at the two guy. Besides weakness and a strength, I would team in the Monocrano, and also you.
I don't think it's about strengths and weaknesses because there are two categories. You attack and you defend. You defend as a team and you attack as a team. What's the area that our game is all about scoring goals. And even when you are not at your best, when at least you score, it can take the pressure off of the team. And unless you do that, it gives the opposition a lot of encouragement. And it becomes a more difficult game. It becomes a more even game. So I don't think it's a question of the good parts of a game and the bad parts of a game. It's about improving, I think, our general play. And I think going into the next game, I would like us to, our overall game, if I'm looking at our overall game today, I think certainly if our overall game today is better, then certainly we won't give ourselves as many problems as what we did today.
Coach Chris Wooten, and I want to know Abantan did Antoine Semenyo and then go no at the Ghana. I want also go now, was saying, or try to near to me, sir, what to me on first goal. And then man the country our competitive game on Yenti Antoine Semenyo. I will go now on also share them Ghana no.
I say there was any pressure. I mean, I know when I come on, I know what I need to do. I need to make sure I'm effective for the team and try to get a goal. So I mean, there wasn't any pressure in that sense, but the time was ticking, so we needed to act fast, and luckily it dropped in the box to me, so can't complain.
Antoine Semenyo and I want to know or see go now or share no important. Important to papa ni titru edimo no player no.
So the first part of your question, it's obviously a good thing. As a striker, you want to score. So haven't scored in a while. It's good for the confidence. So I know that leading up to the next game and when I go back to club football, I know that I've got the confidence for on goal. So, just have to take that with me. But I'm happy with that goal. Needed it. Definitely needed it for the confidence. And I just have to keep going now. I just have to keep building on top of that. And the atmosphere is always good here. It's never ever bad. My dad was actually in the crowd, so it's obviously nice. But the fans are always good. They always bring the vibes, so I can't complain.
Way and some Antoine Semenyo answer the two where the funny go no ni here and then we here and so to me the man and I feel my money na and our day one summer there to go now also on starting 11 or person or start you or person or start and coach no starting 11 bar or person wuramo na say when your opportunity and starting games na say the free bench and so bar obe make sure anytime bi obenya akwanya no say ne hu hia no obeye edema omanya ni the so ede Ghana
Be in the starting team, so if I'm not selected, I make sure when I'm on the bench and I'm coming on, I make sure I'm ready. I've warmed up well and make sure I'm effective for the team, like I said. And luckily, the ball fell to me and I scored. But I always want to be useful whether I'm starting or on the bench as a goal scorer. So I'm happy today, and we have to go again in the next few days.
Way and some Antoine Semenyo do to go where we kura no and I say Edwada omo beba return leg no e wan goal Akropong no na omo share dem say e ho so mekwa kwanya resource e betumi a favor Ghana.
Really, we went into the game knowing that we've got the quality to do damage to the team, and it'll be the same thing over and over again, just building from the back, building through the midfield, and when we get chances we're clinical, so I wouldn't say anything changes.
Wey Antoine Semenyo striker Ediama Black Stars and Waten and Canandra wanu nenya go no Ediama oh my Ghana no pay ye to ho Ediama we yemfi Black Stars aso na yemfa ye ntremo ewo Meteors the Black Meteors of Ghana ene ewo Algeria omonso ejina kwano Ghana ni Algeria na ebo eno emrante a enyambo emfishiano eduonu emiensa 23 years enti under 23 for ene kwakobo eno African Cup of Nations U23 championship no qualification ena so Ghana to Algeria for 9 p.m. and as I game no ebeba so na me no ka say the Android team no anya kwa kodu Algeria monten so de dada ema almost share nim say ene game no ombetumi enya yenkunimdie e de afiri return leg encounter no ebeba so enso wo baba yara Ghana kromu ha ya e de ebeba so nti ye share nim say ene no nioma bakoye enso etumi ade ama the Black Meteors of Ghana enso ewo omujumedi a omuba bedinim na head coach ede ama Meteors coach Ibrahim Tanko na ono so akasa edafa game a omukwa akwabo no nyame adoma ene no ho na ose omunim Algeria team no enti omo hwe nim se nkunim no ebetumi akọ edeyama the Black Meteors of Ghana yentie coach Ibrahim Tanko.
The boys, everyone is good, and we hope that tomorrow is going to be a very good day for us. We knew our opponent and before we came, and I mean we play Algeria before the last one. We won against them to go to the Africa Cup. So, and the boys are ready and they know what they can do. So we hope that tomorrow we'll have a very good day.
Wey ensema coach Ibrahim Tanko wono ede atugwa anopa yete ho enso etumi ede amanti nkunim ne de ose omunim Algeria team no omo hwanim se nkunim ebekọ enso etumi ede amomo ena nyame adoma Ghana Premier League game enso ewoso ntikai national nso na watwe ya wieye Premier League no matches ahuro enso yade a ebetumi abaso na oduani akiremu a bobo kwadidin edi Kotoku Royals ojina kwa no de din enye fedi agro ena sa match no enso ebaso Kotoku Royals ewo Dau Agropamaso omo hwanim se enkonim no ebekọ ediama omo na sei ena enhyehyɛ no enso etumi etie ewo Ghana Premier League no enso emo na watwe ya wieye na yehwe na fe producer piapiani na bra na yefemetie fo enso ho ne hu se ne fixtures no enso etumi ekọ piapia bra enti ena Kotoku Royals etena fie no mo ne Kimfei Saboboko no enso etumi ade abani ewo Theatre of Dreams Dau 3 p.m. ena sa game no enso beba so watching 2 matches ena wo ho Kerala United enso ene Accra Heart of Oak enso ebebo ewo Camp Park watching ena sa game na eba so 3 p.m. afei ewo Accra Sports Stadium Accra Lions enso be shia Bechem United Boboko no na omonso de abani eno so watching 3 p.m. ena beba so Sunday games no say na tie Accra Great Olympics ewo Accra Sports Stadium ene Legon Cities ebebo na fe Brekum Chelsea Asia Tamale Cities ewo Golden City Park na omonso edi abani eno so 3 p.m. Sunday Dreams FC enso ne Nswatreman FC ebebo ewo Theatre of Dreams Dau eno so Sunday 3 p.m. na afei Gold Stars Bibiani Gold Stars ewo Bibiani Dance Park almost ne FC Samates 1996 enso edi abani eno so 3 p.m. ebeba so na Aduana FC enso ene RTU Boboko no ebebo ewo Nana Ajiman Bedu the first stadium eno ewo Doma eno so 3 p.m. ena sa game no enso ebeba so ena game wa etwato no Asante Kotoko ewo Kumasi Babajara Sports Stadium almost ni Midiama game ano ya she enti game of the week no Kotoko versus Midiama eno ya Sunday 6 p.m. ena sa game no enso ebeba so enti kai national so enso etumi enfema me enso ya kan Ghana Premier League won some no etebo ne de Ediana eda so edi kan 39 Accra Lions tosumienu 37 Bechem tosumiensa 36 Has tosu enai 35 Kotoko tosu enum 34 Midiama tosu nsia owo 34 points Bibiani Gold Stars tosu enson wono so ekita points no mako Eduasamienu 32 afei Samates etoso enkron 30 Nswatreman etoso edu 30 and afei RTU tosu dubakon 28 Dreams etosu dumienu 27 Great Olympics tosu dumiensa 27 Lagos Cities tosu du 9 26 Kerala United tosu dunum 26 Kinfesa tosu dunsia 25 Tamale Cities tosu dunsun 24 and Kotoku Royals tosu dun watche 17 points and almost ekitomo ewo honoma and opay yede Emma wa Lawrence Ansan ewo Samates no goalkeeper will keep 10 clean sheet. Joseph Aye Ado ewe Diana 10 clean sheet. Felix J Midiama 10 and Obin Sachere Gregory ewe Brekum Chelsea 10 clean sheet and also to me make and Richmond Ayi had to folk on also make clean sheet no 9 and so our house I say ya and pay yedi emunchi munano and so to me at the amount of matches I would have so I don't know now my fan we were has almost squad almost the echo ochina game kobo against Kerala no and so Richmond Ayi and afe Eric Oforientry and the goalkeepers no defenders Rashid Okan Kunadu Yadom Francis Ajete Samuel Inkum Zakari Yakubu Kwabena Anane omo defenders midfielders now Lenda Inteje Salifu Ibrahim Amankwa Befi and afe Faiza Yakubu Enoch Esubonten Eric Eso and Otanga Jordan omo and so the midfielders now strikers Victor Edu Benjamin York Clinton Apia and afe Albert LD omo and so strikers are hard to folk Edi omo wura game am nyame adoma watching at 3 p.m. Ewa nyina second pack omne Kerala United enso ye bebo no ebusia ye begina no so ye din sam ni besi na di boy wa ha ye din nkoma kakra enso tumi ye ma na fe ya hwese nkoma ye wo ho ni na ye betete enso tumi ye ma wendra Ghana nya ni win coach Chris Wood in the first game Edema Black Stars win no ekoye enso tumi ye ma no je number we to and maybe ahumana tum now so the number 0551667755 WhatsApp and SMS ni na obet me atchoro ascend the afa ye beken kan e the amount Facebook ni Okoman Radio 97.1 and also our Facebook and also the bar ye beken kan and so to me the amount 0551667755 D-boy good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Bibia boko.
Oh, nyame de acheme. Metima kwa Barima mabara say bibia dem.
Oh, okay. Abama ma hoso de udu ho na obape. Say bibia shishi.
Yeah. Na esisi amemenda ne de Auntie Grace ye post office achiwo. Na kwesi da so no me mati. Ese ni nyina no me de ukona me kobo osu.
And also
Yeah, nti ocha no pa. After 3 no na obeshia so the we no pa onko
my no pa maybe 12
okay it no we take over until we are but we are train na my Grace was a mati ho ne opebia no
okay my minchia one in town one in town
one in town and ajedu
yes I'm heavy pa akosu ansa no so you heavy
akosu ansa no so ho
okay bragam no mo kakra
mama fanfi heroes no bi endra minya kwanhwe Italy ene England there no
okay
na England ebeche ansa na ebia kruwa bi kura so betumi afa what they say
endra mo wini yo
so the die embers of the game no what they hwe free the 85th minute 75th minute copying the 90th minute the 6 minutes to so no England Italy one about war pa. Yeah. Italians there was this black guy not always see a chance now out front what do.
Okay.
Yeah. And study the but chance be obey when you be bet me aboa England no always see no. Every time boy Italy no sorry always see such chance no. So you know Akrabia and they could have carried the day and I thought I'm bet me about draw. But yemfa asidani nyina ma the English I think say they be amekasa ade de woni mu ya na woni mu mo suabo yes 60 years in here England akọ na okwoti omo ho anim e Italy abontin so 60 years in here a quarter of a century and yemfa asidana ma the British my idea
the three lions of England
and the Italians and so no masa I think say we your champion you die hard. I think David Minim solo. Go grab phone. Oh, sir.
I'm a leg now. I'm a body Italian shira. I want the Dawson. Esin Kromanfo na.
So yen dey Kromanfo nkwaso nko yi o. Oh. Yen dey Kromanfo nkwa.
National team bi be ko animu a.
Yeah.
Enti na Ghana yen to me injury trophy.
Okay.
4 AFCONs ayaje no. Yensha team ayade ko je.
Okay.
Local players ne dos.
Okay.
No mo dominate national team.
So no ya dream, but I think say they are doing good business and so.
Spain AJ World Cup. No mo kita players are ebo Barcelona and Real Madrid. Germany ko je World Cup 2014. Omo kita players are no mo ball Bayern Munich and Borussia Dortmund. And German league.
And the only me I say England a better chance no GB.
But so
Italy is a better chance no more.
Italy baby.
And two, they're having the oldest and go follow our team no more doors on do. What do I say? Say and say I think the man Raheem Sterling.
England for
man who know. Say Ayobia and Drag say Raheem Sterling woman no nyani there. Solo and Kebe the Italians. But all said and done, more on my bass or my idea. So much me I got when 60 years down the line. Now, if you know we need one go match view, Italy and one idea. So, and run a between the hours of 10 to 12. Now, me share Latvia and Ireland. Latvia and Ireland. So, 2 matches here, another 2 countries in here on my your ball, Omudin or Bomwa, Omudin Basu Bebre, especially local Latvia, almost that ball, almost that Nimbo Bebre. But so, almost sheer ball and the kind of matcher and a ball like a share and no Latvia and Ireland ball almost sheer ball. You're more basso.
Okay.
I think say maybe almost shen, maybe almost finish animania and no more ball is snow no air drizzle, but still they were playing. What I say, once a horror call no more teams like I see Rangers no money when we got almost shown idea. But so say you have a transit Ireland for any Latvia for a shian ball na ya tena ebi bremu ane ye Ghana ha atwa fa ebo asuro chese shian hwe. You've not learned anything.
Okay.
Etiemfa I was born ma heroes na ekoso nya no. So enra menka Barcelona de nifio. Barcelona meti ese omoma referees bribe no enwo winning matches no enye ne. Meti ese Barcelona for Emma bribe Emma referees bomo no mo gi UEFA Champions League any Omankasa League no mo bone ade no solo enye ne nti se ne na babede di se ye hwehwem na yetumi edi ye atu ye na ya hwehwem na Barcelona ya bando mo solo mi gidi se enema nyina to ya Barcelona could be banned. And in solo me de mete sa asem we no I think 3 or 4 months ago me bisa Kwame di kwase Kwame say na Matthew was yo anya no kreba Kwame de enya say on Barcelona fan enti no anya de aso no krebu mu kra obeka e de a kire me enti ye mompaye say nhwemu we no how bi enti mi nkobam na how bi enkobam eba musa no a basa fo be chon papa eba san so asebe na ye no guase na ye koye ne say UEFA Champions League o maje list title o maje ye be reverse ni nyina na asebe ye ne den. That's a big problem. And that's it. So another point be a mention is me coach Newton or can send be an okay. Many in Blasters yani yasha Egypt Sia ewo Ghana happen anameboa. Yes, and it's over John say enye bibi something me okay send be them better make me repeat kra. Asoma kan kwa solo me fa mbem
a new team
me say me fa mbem kura anya new team ya na ye Nigeria go board so 1-1 Nigeria ye fa go World Cup no. Yes, Ghana no Ghana ye no what you say enti me nyoka kan de mama onye me andana mbisa kwa me dey say dan kwaku ya bo aka say omo de so na hwe so on person de sum na fidie kwa me dey say enti sa on fan so na fidie onya ne oka no we want to make it, we want to qualify to the AFCON, want to win the AFCON. On me can't just afena me training afena me cut team sabom and
the boy mama man so na me kwa yin komo we mfro emfa emra sese ha me Henry Kofi Asare head of sports ewo ye anu manager FM ye ne ntin komo de femfa Black Stars enso ho kakra Bible otemenka me ma cha de ba Okoman Radio 97.1 so
Pahametom kapa na bomboko.
Oba de adom na unso e.
Yeah, me ado me be I fine.
Me bebo udini na nanka me koka GFA. Kasa Amanfo edi.
Just ni na si wa.
Okay, Kofi Andra game na baso. At the Emma Black Stars. Coach Chris Wilton, the first game. Our ball as head coach at the Emma Black Stars. And so when you team online app at the Echo game name. And now your captain match day squad now on home. And you send your players and so it's here fast so a ball no. And that game ni na no assessment. I will game ni na no ni say.
Paradise, mami enchio na mami enchia di boy enso na di boy de ye be di nkomo. Well, Paradise na Washa Blasters game and no to me of course na unte Chris Hilton ever far team no na Washa the call up or they buy. Say he's been one of the coach as a or buy no na Ghana phone na as a omutanechi omo pese di aduma na mano. Nti after his appointment no when we say the football of fans no and certain GD bi woni so aduma no betumi aye and she wo share the call up or the buy na at this particular time we players are no more performance are no more than edi na first social attendance are ye hu ye no Okoman se baba yara right from the time our team no omu training ni ade no na it tells you say Ghana for omo adje papa no atum say aduma no betumi aye Paradise, what share and game with me a course on now. Say Angola are one of the teams in terms of every competition or more into me Ghana. What share even 7 times I know more Asia they've only managed 1 win. And what share Ghana your upper hand I want also with 4 wins, 2 draw. And she game winning no beer mentality. Obia analysis such as the Blasters of Ghana, which me we need this particular game. Paradise, what we say on a tactical basis, 2 coaches now able the same formation. Osha creativity in the lineup or the buyer, the position of the players, Osha formation are near about 4-2-3-1. And I wish Angola head coach Pedro Goncalves. And also about 4-2-3-1 formation, but a vary with the system or approach game because this particular system so was ultimately depending on how our person will approach game so our person will defend there over 2 mid block midfielders and no enemy for say Goncalves because now our person space are blasters they creating because of some more skillful players, Space is on make creating or making movement towards goal. More ever wide they up the opponent defense. Some be omnia space. They are more strikers. I was said Obama home against about the middle block pivot midfielders, 2 midfielders. No do move again. And also Ghana as well. We say yes, with the same information. But at the end of the day. Obi to say Thomas a creative midfielder. And I will Edmond Adwa or also in Nayanim, say or your boss midfielder. So at the end of the day, because of say Ghana being upper hand, able home pressure ever call Angola for this city. You bring your lateral back, that's 2 and 3, Then a bit on bit me overlapping. One more able to me a support attack. But at the back one before say on the left back one Ambua Gideon Mensa Helder Costa now or that one because Abrantani is very good or jib ball the way to me a position taking on Emma pass really dangerous and almost striker in Zola. So we call Italians we are anima this season is one of the players Oya de Pa.
I was busy, yeah.
Yes. About 23 games as a 12 goals.
12 goals,
and he's one of the players now capture the attention of the top teams in Europe. And to also be dangerous. So these players, if you give them the opportunity at the house, anything I wish a branch Kamadu Sulemana in the first half we be one who so dependent on the system and not coach in able because or a player or pace or the dribbling skills and ultimate creative space or wide defenders. Equity space the man is strikers and it's a woman opportunity to be how. So I wasn't surprised Goncalves what shall me game no team now. One more captain Fred ono ena onya the man of the match ewo wo team because ndo oya adwuma between the back line or to me blockade most of the chances na the ma wo mo enti before say very good now yengu yehu anima say o share 57 ball possession me I wasn't all that impressed with the game I to me boy but when you look at the starter Bibia Chese Ghana Paradise ade ba ko what say me yani ko ho yen transition to attack and then yen transition to goal. And none of before say for so many years, it affected Blasters it may yen to me even more than 2 or 3 goals in a match. Because when that game we boy now, we say Blasters about 21 total shots, only 9 off on target, and 8 off target. And he said, to me about 21 shots. Not a 9 on target, not 8 off target. Now at the end of the day, what to me create 4 big chances in the game. Now to me one. Bibia Travel say, here maybe ewe anymore. Ade ba ko ne say, Inaki William, na ye bono as a lone striker ewe anymore no. Enra unso ball almost about 69 minutes ewe game ni. And what can the starter when to me untouchable 120 chance bia wama on any key passes bia will give me. And Bibia tells a young transition to attack no on to me create space and the ball and corner ni. Anna say yen so yeah build the attack at the bar. Yen need for this no. Some ye be able to me reading the position as a striker yeah the ball at the man on some form. Anything I will show of later, Blasters you go to a attachment based on the midfielders, any defenders. And Chris Hilton, our Duma, I was to me, our Blasters, me. And I think going forward, we share a Duma, Yadiama Papano, we share the talent of players are you cry, we share the youth players are you war a woman. I am saying, sir, the person you're building national team now, basically, it's not about the call-up of the player. Now, the choir will be first war, or system of play on the here, will be to me develop it from every department. And it is very, very key. So at the end of the day, you be say game a year boy, you be plan A, you be plan B. And that game now a boy, my said then who plan B, we are not game no aye closely even, you bet to me the anticipating your opponents and you bet to me any results. But then when you have wingers almost very good, almost speed, almost your clinical, and also affecting in terms of goal scoring. Anything I've been now Osman Bukari, Kamadin Suleiman, Joseph Pinsala, moment to me I said Dumana Mount. But in terms of almost goal rate, that is a 0. Paradise, I believe Blasters, you're not the call of the team. You're making sure you have proper plans, a big honor, activating a certain system, activating a certain tactics, you have room, send a players, number then, or better, I say, I'm going to buy your first players way, you got time to be near to players, although we understand, it depends on the consistency of play. But then, young sir, young you need to me a certain strategy at the ability and national team. And things are for me, the me say, me rating on my performance of the Blasters there. For me, I will give them somewhere around 49%. We have a lot of work to do. So, Emra, Angola for a team almost certain mentality be a bias at the end of the day, one person who continue the pressure of the Blasters, and then if they win, if they are winning through counter and working for more. So, any other team, North African teams are more pragmatic open football now, and I think Blasters, one to me, I then ask or Mokra or Honor. Way in the first game, and you hope going forward, you don't certain development in our Blasters team.
Confirm that say why any na boom and say team no performance no na rate ya more percentage 49. Individually players who be more than say individual no Mohamed Kudus performance our them yes this season as and dry and winners are our young game name afei we should be to say Joseph Pencil on your minute ebe boy unhu ne performance they were saying and Thomas Tepate after the game on one Ghana for be praising no say the performance no ade ko ye and that performance is anko put in and all the my World Cup ni mu anka ye betumi akoyanim and as ye betumi bibi World Cup name individual players no unhu omo performance ne sen Lawrence Atizigi for instance will go post name.
Well, Paradise. So, we share the individual performance of Black Stars some players, no. I believe we share one more class side we be now a bomb Humadane and over national team as well. Sometimes you performance or more than one more extra. And we could see basically when you come to the African teams now, most especially the West African players, you know. So one more national team now, you different performance compared to one more club side. On said, if you are on a man, so what share club now, different from the national team. Because on say club side, you know, there were a certain system of pattern of play. And the players are almost trying to one more contribute factor at the amount player no to me a very good performance. Over national team now, sometimes they kind of recover. On say that the consistency of a team, no. So we have basically, you know, every national team media based on the quality of players are the individual, performance. Unless certain countries are very serious, one more creating the system as suit one more plans, any objectives. In some countries, you know, one is more air boboa. The system league, you know, at the same thing in a national team next year, but here in terms of it's players by individually, no Paradise, I did about one person a T40 and say players never national team will be a because of Nicola side, you know, even 80% of the performance are all on the club side. Most especially say we are do mid-season, year season. In what are the call of the Blasters? They'll be to say Thomas Partey, for example. Partey because of the injury, you know. Anytime you are national team, no, or you're very careful, 50-50 tackle, but they ask no bebo. So what you say? And these are all some of the factors that sometimes when you say some of the players no well when it comes to the national team. Kudus Mohammed, yes, we agree. Where Kudus Mohammed or why yes this season, you know. Most of the matches, you know, sometimes, you know, coach need to meet a Kobono as a left winger. If you are or Bono as a central midfielder, if you are Bono as attacking midfielder or the left wing attacker. What are the midfield role in a branch near the to me above. But over the national team, Blasters now, the amount of a specific role or Bono 10 position, you know, or go behind the striker. These players, you know, are very creative. Or no the ball, all few them, all my key passes. And it's a way to me and performance way, I was our players no one. Definitely are difficult to score. But Emra, Sunny and Americano, over a Pedro Goncalves, a strategy now or the bar game, you know. And none of the four say, they to me a work at the man because of the board they make the block system. Now about the two pivot midfielders are making sure say any creative player be or Blasters in Indiana. Making sure say man at time and the ball entry in room. Okay. In that case, you know, now a person unblock the supplies are branch and they game you now with me effort even deep in the back line of the defense and at the attack at the core. But could do say no and yes I not here even the position why yes and yes I no. And quickly about Jordan Ayew. One we say Paradise, Ghana will be now criticize Jordan Ayew. I want the performance about Blasters or contributing. But you wouldn't understand the coach be over there or man opportunity sometimes we admit say some of the players in the home team players. But let us consider player the working rate or the national team. No, say Jordan. But I think say, a very good coach, you can mold Jordan to get all the best quality player as he was. What I say, but I don't know if saying coach is nominated one more here. depending on the position on the advantage and also sometimes it creates a whole lot of factors or your matches are able. Intermediate, I think going forward, you're making sure say you this idea. Let us learn to know how our players one more ball position the more comfortable making deliver their national team and yet international say if you are position you are class side into a national team normally the same position. Okay. If we do that, it will help us going forward.
Okay. Kofi, that's a pan one when you answer to me at the Amaya for.
All right, father, Medasi.
Before Frubiana, you better say a share in Comobium.
Medasi, Pamina.
Medasi. Henry Kofi Asari Jr. and I didn't know it didn't come on, and some training. Black Stars game, yeah, you didn't home come on. And so, one more. My main Facebook messages went through one of a D-boy and met to us and sent to me and fire my Abuaji Enoch said, good morning, Calvin. This is O level. The swimming grandmaster, and I'm watching the show live from Kwaisibia Hotel. Okay, Kwaisibia Hotel. Greetings to all Kwaisibia Hotel staffs. Okay, also that's a pa. Adam Tilapia said, keep up the good work. Another fire emoji no Eddie about Kwajoba for said great show. And Bismarck Obin Mensam and so said great show by all standard. Greetings to Pa Solo Paradise. He's doing marvelous well. Okay, keep up the good work. Also, that's great. Grace Mensam so said great work. Keep it up. Okay, also that's Grace. Nyamin Shao na on what is speed recovery and confirm I want also monitor show no at the free to whom Akrabo. Nyamin Shao. Alexa first said keep the fire burning. Also, that's the sound message, at the about Facebook or Okoman Radio 97.1. Obey to me the messages no answer to me at the Afa Dibai. Diboy Ibrahim Kakra na yan shabe 4 minutes before a wrap up.
So I said because Henry every time is on point. Now maybe so be adibi check up be the amame. Did you Ansana Obabebo Ghana under 20 no bese we qualifiers no dodo ahen eno boy me nka tournament no itself bese me hu did you Ghana echo under 20 aye kofa ewo ye African soil wo Egypt no ye ne Brazil yidi nkonim no bese me hu qualifiers no number of times qualification no did you wo boy da bia meka say Jordan you wonim bobo na coaches no want to fix in the year.
Okay, D-boy, my main question was to say ya we 30 seconds yen team free na yemeto aso. Yen na ye papa oba kai na ye talented case. We di agro pa no gususu di agro. Te say we okoto o hwese bibia betumi akonkan enso etumi de ma no na omo na Akuapem hwese also support no emu betumi ayedin. And so to me, the man, the papa on Henry Achi, ADM Como, Ahumano. So, Mr. You know what I mean? Can't remember watching Emma about the Okoman Radio. So, hello, Mr. You know what I mean? Can't Yama about the Okoman Radio. So,
yeah,
Mebacho bibi abakwade.
Padaroma boko.
So say then na koso na na AK aswe.
Asaba koso se na AK. Oyo Akuapem ba Ghana ni. TV3 talented case okwai. Famous them for the first time in this region. Win talented case wa ba pastel muno. Ene ayen someone asawo ne nema ho we ka hono. And then on the Lancene Foundation Akropong-Akuapem then I say
Akropong emphasize
Akropong-Akuapem Philippa.
Okay. Foundation no obi beka say enyema bensa na ode ba be ye de aboa ye ni musa Amanfo ete foundation na
yeah. Me pese u bisa me no na se ne be ya me to aso ko ne foundation ko ta ya ejina so ne se bibiri mo ha do man ko ma kwa de a cha won a chede no ye obi to me ya one obi bufuru to me na eke dey aforo se mo fa di fimfi anum oto fidu num obeso ogboya wo so kwa no so na poto ka se be kan talent awowo no woni to bong ana se enyin wo abrabo ni titiri so bi mu ye won ani bie won no woni ni fa bi a wo hwe won ene won won star ne won la no hanuwa sabe what bet my be a waka one share no na eke dey ato no wo say obese ogboa won wo kwa soro ngoso na wo eden onya odoma ko ma chere sena ya photo kasem ye be kanisi when you light under a table it will not shine unless you put it on the top of the table
okay ya damase ya de mripam no ya be sanso enemo asa de ho nkomo na mom na me ka mo ho na bibia nko yi jojo enso wo enso ya da sepa ya baba mo so ene no wa interview no da mas baba asema enimo pa enti na eke ne papa ena ya kwa ho man so aye ne no edi enkomo ne di boy wie na ma na so phone lines no emra won so kasa na enti 0551667755 0551667755 also bet me abamubi na Black Stars nkomo kakra yedi no waba beti bi and so under 23 and so a bomb match omni Algeria and also no U23 championship qualifiers sa into and so bet me ababeka and so kakra na weekend we so leg matches e wo hokotoko match has and so our match and I feel kutoku dreams FC no na our match obetumi ababeka o de manya first call our ahoma so ma picking na yindi enkomo me ba cho good morning
Aboman
bako within baby akasa free
Shimeka itemo kasa free Royal Johnson
me ba cho yentio
yo ichawo no wabe ba fun na me kan say won a work as a coach na nya de na wanya me won nya de because me nyeni se we Angola for the buy no o ba so wa be gira wa hwe Ghana for so one sa and then to match the first match our bo then no do who players so it's me the fa ha be we so me the fa be ye na mo se ya na start to na to se ya Ghana ngasa coach ben ye ni fa ben pa na pese o be coach e wo Ghana and say ya jadi when you report that case is so on fan is an outside kata and can match you can draw next year win and win no class yempe ya san kasa on he na fan Ghana for one coach ko our show Ghana on the game no mind na ko pon shiram
so on shira pa ya da se on so betumi abam 055 1 na on so what there and so etumi here there hello good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me cho din baby akasa free.
We did the Akuffo do not have a long time.
Me cho yentio.
Yo, last time for more than papa. Me bo ngamaso. Because okunde mu yede. But here the say you we ni na magana fini. Can it make kasa bibiri ni mo last time abaso. Mo bless na abaso. Wanga ya de. But una wo kwangula na. Me say to re. O kwa kubiri because of we also people don't get we need because position I want to see no when I want to qualify it go let them again or by me so say we no draw the seat in Ghana that's it
yeah so yeah that's it enti also bet me about 0551 667755 0551 667755 the boy
Solo said na empanyi cho madweno coach no na oka team no we call World Cup no into wonim what I say yeah Christian or a big man and your small man
the tactics na no
good and coach Solo e journey there as well for say I found headmaster how call in school then we swap because you school for someone trivia na one school yeah if you go school ni apekwan bia school dan e be boso and that's it me say but mo dia na mame the day you I say be ko under 20 World Cup no qualifiers ndodo boy mpese me who matches dodo a wo boy and did you any match ni mu no only a course
okay
so what I say me can say did you are sound na mum anopana and run up any back on can say orientation back on me between aboa enti omra na chi na omeye say practice ya and a team obenye bi abo regularly ya na onza meja na so because Ghana no ehia no no ombo dey there yeah ombo dey there but solo me say Ghana yene Egypt abo ashe Egypt 6-1 Musala no gina mbi it we can do better.
Eno D-boy na out in Kano na Akrasco Ventures yenchiamo Andra commentary aye ni na no ya Akrasco Ventures omo dealers in car and sales ni na omo ya dinti ope car dey Akrasco okwa obema oka efe etiapo na onso de udwuma omo nso boa Andra live commentary no e de ho ensem na enso tumi e de ebrewo omo wie ye commentary ni na no omo ebeboa kama ti ye ko star 7 87 hash almost so chire ena ya de buy news to aso enso tumi e de amawo ewo ahase ye
1.5 FM Bono 107.5 FM enso afa Techiman KFM 103.5 Obuasi OFM 107.7 Tambari Angel 96.9 FM